I'm Jacob Godar, the owner of Scooter's Lawn Care. Scooter's Lawn Care is a lawn care and landscape company providing landscape installation, design, and all maintenance services in Springfield, Illinois. My biggest goal when I wanted to start this business was to build a team of like-minded individuals that wanted to serve customers and give people products that help them save time and have better experiences with their family and friends. Our team, in one word, is amazing. You know, our team is family, our team is friends.
We love what we do.
Every day is different.
I love my job.
I love coming to work in the morning.
I love talking to our clients.
We really love our job.
We love what we do.
So on a patio, and the way I see it as a dad and a husband, my time is spent in the weekends enjoying it with my family. That's what we love to do. That's what our team is about, is creating experiences.
We are family.
We are friends.
We are parents.
We are sisters.
We are brothers. We're just like you.
We are just like you.
And your story begins when our job ends. So you should choose Scooter's Lawn Care because we set out to fix your problems. We look forward to working with you, making your backyard a paradise, make it everything you ever wanted, and offer you maintenance that saves you time and makes every day easier for you.